today's video, we have a Christmas tour you are going to absolutely love. We have Amber from Amber Zim on Instagram sharing her beautiful modern farmhouse home. It is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to share her beautiful home today. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hi, I'm Amber Zimmer and welcome to our Christmas home tour. Thank you to Holly for inviting me back this year. Christmas is my absolute favorite time of the year and I just love making everything magical and decorating the whole house. If you saw my home tour last year, then you will notice some additional decor and some changes that we made. Hope you enjoy it. Let's start the tour outside. So last year I searched for what felt like forever for nutcrackers and I finally found these. So of course they are always going to be displayed on the front porch, or I say always, but you know, at least for a while. And I love these inflatable ornaments. You just have to make sure you secure them so they don't blow away in your yard. And then we stacked these up this time and I love this look. And then another favorite of mine is this carousel horse. I'm really gonna try not to say everything is my favorite, but nutcrackers and the carousel horse are my favorites in the front outside of the house. And Jasper wants to say hi. And I thought this Christmas tree is too beautiful not to be seen by more people, so it made its way to the front porch. Next year when our basement is finished, it will eventually be down there, but I just felt like it needed to be seen. And then we switched up the lights. In the past, we've done icicle lights, but we found these and my daughter loved them, so I thought we'd give it a try. And then here is a sneak peek of our lake tree. And of course, I need to share everything lit up at nighttime. Okay, and now I'm bringing back the word favorite again because this is my favorite thing at nighttime outside. And one more look from a different viewpoint. Okay, and now we're gonna move inside, and these nutcrackers are there to greet you as soon as you walk in. And our dog made his appearance, so now our cat wants to make hers. So when we were building, I had the Christmas tree in mind, so we purposely did not do any built-ins here so that we could move furniture for our Christmas tree every year. We rearrange the couch, the furniture, and the tall ceilings were a must-have because of the Christmas tree as well. We have multiple Christmas trees, and this one I always try to keep maybe a little fancier, I guess you could say, but I always incorporate personal things into it. So our family photos from every year are also displayed on this tree. I add every year. It's one of my favorites. And then I always have to incorporate Christmas photos from the years past. Side note, these nutcrackers do light up and play music. I just do not keep them plugged in all the time. Also, I'm not sure why this is the first year that I added wreaths on the inside of my front doors, but it's definitely going to be something that I continue to do year-round. I absolutely love this spot in the house. It is just artwork from the kids through the past years. I keep all the old ones in there and then sometimes swap out or just put my favorites back in the front. And if you have multiple children, you'll understand that my daughter always counts to see whose has more up there. And here is the kids' Christmas tree of ornaments they have made, and then some more like birthday pictures of them through the year. And these floating candles were originally a Halloween decoration, but I just loved the cozy vibe, so we decided to keep them up for Christmas too. And then some more past Christmas pictures, more of my love of nutcrackers. And we actually just switched out our kitchen lighting right after I filmed this, so head on over to my Instagram page and you can see that. And of course, we need to switch over and show it at nighttime as well. And then here's a better look at the floating candles. Oh, and our elves are making an appearance too. Thank you for following along on my home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Come on over to my Instagram. It's at AmberZim and say hi. Hope you spend the holidays with the ones you love.
I hope you absolutely loved Amber's home today. Let me know your favorite part in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.